Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, and March 26th. We do got a bit of important economic news release to go over today, and we'll start off with the durable goods orders for the month of February. So back in January, we had a contraction, obviously a pullback of 3.8%, and we figured it would kind of go up towards 4.6 and exceed that at 5.7. So on the this is the headline number. It looks great, but it's primarily because we had some big ticket items like airplanes and such. But if you strip out the volatility, the big number ticket items wasn't as good as what we really kind of needed to be. We also have the Case-Shiller Index home price, Case-Shiller home price index for the month of January. We had a 6.8% growth year-over-year appreciation in the month of December, and it kind of carried over into January, which improved up to 8.1. So great numbers there. So we definitely like to see home prices going up. Then we also have the consumer confidence for the month of March. We had 68 back in February. We figured it would come down to about 66.5, and it actually lowered down to 59.7. So the consumer confidence, consumer sentiment are definitely two items to keep an eye on. Now, a lot of this may come into play because at that time frame we were talking about the sequestration, and there's everybody's getting bombarded with this, that so it may have created some resentment and created some confusion in the market. So we'll have to kind of see what the Aprils will kind of play out and see how people are feeling. Then we also have the new home sales for the month of February. So we had 431,000 new home sales for the month of January. We figured it would come down a little bit to 417, and it came out at 411. So not as good news as we'd like it to be. These are brand new homes for builders and stuff. So as obviously we've been seeing the index for home builders kind of decrease a little bit. So they're not seeing these as optimistic as they were earlier. So it'll be interesting. We have something we want to keep eye on these, as we want to see home builders obviously continuing with their new construction and such. So let's jump over to the headline news here. And currently stock market's up. There's a couple items in there like the headlines for the durable goods, but if you strip out the big ticket items, it was a little disappointing. And of course Case-Shiller was nice. So let's jump over the bond market. And right now we started the day off about 6 basis points lower. So right now we're up 6 basis points. So we're even with yesterday. So there's no change in terms of pricing from where we left off yesterday. We're at the 102.88. So as you can see, yesterday we did touch the ceiling. We kind of approaching it. We did approach earlier today as well, and kind of pulled back. So this is starting to show some strict or kind of tough guidelines here. So my caution would be to very much watch yourself, as in terms of because the ceiling is showing some strength, we have more room actually to drop lower. We could probably reach down to the 102.20ish level. So we could have a rise in interest rates. So be a little cautious here going forward. So for rate as of today, the rates are about the same as what we left off yesterday. Thanks for watching, folks. You guys have a wonderful day, and we will see you guys tomorrow.